Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. When you see that face, it's Friday. Are we making a cocktail? That's my catchphrase. All right, let's make a Hawaiian sunset. I have a lot of orgeat syrup, which is a syrup made from almonds. So I'm trying to figure out drinks to make with it because that's a lot. I don't know what else to do with it. So Hawaiian sunset. Here's what you need: syrup, sugar with ice. It's a vodka drink. A little bit of grenadine, just a little dash on it. Fresh lemon, fresh lime. Okay, that's what I did. And we're gonna use a goblet, which I put in the freezer because this is gonna be shaken and then poured into a frozen glass. So let me get my glass. Let's assemble this drink. Let's see how it comes out. All right, frozen goblet, ice in the sugar. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of vodka into the sugar. There we go. There you see it. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of this orgeat syrup right in there, and then we're gonna do 2 dashes of grenadine. Then we're gonna do 2 dashes of grenadine. Just there we go. There we go. Then we're gonna give our guy a good shake. If you noticed, I put some lime and lemon aside for the garnish. Then that pours right into your goblet. Should give you a nice pink color. Pink. Garnish. Garnish. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is our Hawaiian sunset. Let's give it a shot. Woo! Oh, this is good. I mean, once you can get off the pink grapefruit color looking, that's probably because of the red grenadine. That is beautiful. Oh, that's good. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Remember, if you see that face, it's Friday Night Cocktails. This was really good.